Hello, welcome to another episode of the Ikan Bilis Weekly Forecast Show. Our weekly forecast is published every Sunday, 4 p.m. UK time to help you navigate the sea of market volatility. Please subscribe and click the like button before we dive into the chart.
Hey people, I've got something good to share with you guys. Bilis has launched a prop trading service and we are now looking for talented traders to fund. You can trade Forex, crypto indices, and metals with the accounts using the MetaTrader 4 application. We have the friendliest evaluation criteria in the industry that sets you up for success. All you just need to make 10% on your account in 60 days and make sure that your trade sizes are consistent and within a reasonable risk parameter. Most prop trading firms split up their evaluation into two 30-day phases and require a 10% profit made on each of those phases. In my opinion, that sets up traders for failure and forces them to take unnecessary risks on the account. Furthermore, we allow you to earn from the get-go. Yes, we reward you for good trading even during your evaluation phase. So wait no longer. Go ahead and sign up for an account at ikanbilis.capital. We're now giving out free challenges for a limited time only. Please join our Discord channel to say hi and find out more.
The DXY. Yeah, so for the DXY, this week we saw a breakout rejected. A run for the top of the channel, and it was rejected, and then price is now rejecting very strongly and fiercely down to the downside. I think we will likely see price spend some time down these levels in this consolidation, in the consolidation over here, before it builds back momentum to make another run to try and break the upside. So we are short-term bearish, very short-term, maybe in the next few days or next week. But looking at long entries for this one, retest of the bottom of the channel will be an extremely nice entry, but it may not reach the bottom of the channel if it's really bullish. So we'll see. We'll see what this gives us.
We've come to the end of the video. If you think our content is useful to you, please like, share, and subscribe. Our Discord channel is up and running, and it's the best place to stay current with our latest updates. See you there, or until next week.